Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how you can change your username on your Twitter Lite application. First, you need to open up your Twitter Lite application and then you'll be met with your home feed. If you focus on the top left corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture displayed at the top. You need to click on your profile picture button and then you'll see a bunch of menus pop up. You need to focus on the settings and privacy line with the settings icon. And now you have to click on it. And at the top, you'll see your account functionality. You need to click on this line and then you will see a bunch of options popping up. But in order to change your username, you need to focus on the account information line. And once you've opened up your account information functionality, you'll again see a bunch of options for you to check on. But for now, you need to see your username functionality at the top of your screen. You need to click on it, and then you can change your username as you desire. And once you've changed your username as you want it to, you can click on the save button right here at the screen. Great, now your username has been changed on your Twitter Lite application, and from now on, this username will be displayed on your account publicly. And this is it, guys. We hope you found it useful and informational. Don't forget to like and subscribe our video and also comment down what you want to see next. Thank you for watching.